Okay, so in this video, we're going to cover a feature that was previously referred to as build packets, and now we are calling it packets and sheets. So under Coach Tools, I'll go to packets and sheets, and you'll see why we called it this, because we've added some additional functionality. So to cover the previous feature, which is now called workout packets, we added some functionality here, and we'll cover this first. So in workout packets, what we can do is we can create new packets the same way that we always do by clicking the plus sign at the bottom right. And then, of course, all the packets that were previously built can be built here and listed and then be deleted or downloaded once again. So in this case, I will create a new packet. And some of the new functionality here includes that we have the ability now to create a packet by group, calendar, and individual athlete. So as many of you know, for a while we did not create packets based on individuals. Now you can. So in this example, I'll choose a single athlete. I'll go ahead and choose Rocky. And then also some additional functionality is that we can do a single day or multiple days, and that multiple day can now span multiple weeks. In fact, this can span up to 4 weeks. So in this case, I'm going to choose 4 weeks. I'll include everything. The packet type is a PDF, which is downloadable. This is something that might be displayed digitally. On-screen print, HTML, means that it's printer friendly. So I'll do printer friendly for this one. I will choose to show maxes, which will list the max next to the exercise prescribed. And then I'll go ahead and begin building this packet. So here's my packet. I can go ahead and open it up, and then right away I'll get a print preview. And you can see that if I minimize the margins in our print setting, I can fit quite a few days onto a single sheet. And then the athlete's name will show up. So this is a single athlete, and I'm printing the workout here for a month, although there's not a month's worth of workouts. Actually, I think there is. This is including quite a few sessions from August 5th to September 3rd. This is 6 sheets total, and that's what a print looks like for the packet builder. Now, with that being said, we can go ahead and review the second feature, which is called the weight room sheet generator. So in the weight room sheet generator, what we have is the ability to create a sheet with everyone listed for the workout on one single page. So you'll often see a coach say want to create a sheet for offense or defense with 1 or 2 primary lifts for the day on that sheet to record the numbers. So let's take a look here. I'll choose workout date today, the 28th. I'll go ahead and choose a calendar and say this is football. And then it's going to load the entire session for football for that day. But like I said, if we just want to collect data for a few exercises, I can say we're going to do the barbell bench press, and I want to record data for the neutral grip chin up if it's loaded. So we have the ability to either show the max, show the weight column, or show the rep column. I'm going to go ahead and leave these checked on for all. If you want to eliminate the rep column, that's fine. If you want to eliminate the weight column, that might mean that you're not interested in recording the weights. And if you don't want to show the max, that's something that you might do for, say, neutral grip chin up to save some room. Okay, so calendar, date, 28th, football, and then I've got 2 exercises. The title for the sheet would be football, and then for the athletes here, we'll just say football again. And the sheet title might be football day 2, for instance. And then the group of athletes, this could say all football or offense or defense or what have you. So when I generate this sheet, I get, again, a list of every single athlete, their max, and then I get a percentage that yields a weight for every set for the 2 exercises that I picked. Now, in this case, barbell bench press only has intensities for the first 3 sets, and then nothing for the set 4 and 5. And then neutral grip chin up. In this case, I would just write the weight in for each athlete. But again, this is all on a single sheet that you can print out. I can make the font smaller. I can make it bigger if I have fewer athletes or more athletes. I can go ahead and print this out, or I can even download it to Excel. And if I download to Excel, I can modify this as much as I would like. And then here's another cool trick. Say I did this for offense, and I wanted to add in defense. I can just click the plus sign, and I can add the defensive players to this sheet as well. Here's a situation. Sometimes the defense line will be training, and then say the receivers will be training. Those are my 2 groups for that day. I can go ahead and generate a sheet that only includes those two groups by using the plus sign and then choosing to add players by group. So you have a ton of flexibility when it comes to listing which athletes show up in this sheet, and then you have some flexibility for downloading it and also rendering the size of the font as well. So that's the new functionality that we've built for packets and sheets. If you have any feedback on this, let us know. And always be in touch and let us know what you think about this new stuff.